Hello peeps, this is another edition of Paul Brock's Garage. Wanted to show you how I made a mistake today. Don't know if I really did or not. I think I kind of did, but anyway, this is the hood on the other truck that I went back and bought today. It's Wednesday. I thought the hood was in a lot better shape than what it was. I thought it was just dirty from sitting in the guy's salvage yard, but as you can see, it has some cracking paint right here, and then clear coat issues, which are common on the 90s model black trucks. They just get so hot that the clear coat peels on them. It does have its handy dandy bug guard on there though that came with it, and the fender's kind of like the other fender that's on the truck. It's not really that bad. Just needs to be cleaned up. There's no dents in it at all. Just needs to be cleaned up and buffed out and waxed, which I've got stuff to do that with. And of course another project right here, lower control arm and some other stuff for another vehicle. But I think I got it, I think for 150 bucks, it really wasn't that bad. I mean, it's gonna sort of match. I also got a bed there. He wants $500 for the bed, which is more than what I thought he wanted, but it's a pretty good looking bed. It's black, and he will pull mine off and swap them out for 500 bucks, which I thought wasn't that bad. So if y'all ever in Foley, Robertsdale, Alabama, go to Baldwin County Salvage and ask for Chris, the owner. He's pretty decent on his prices. You can Google Baldwin County Salvage if you're ever in this area and go there and get parts. He got a lot of good parts for these old trucks, like 88s to 2005. Didn't really take the hood off of this one, and stick that other hood on and put that other fender on, see what happens after I buff everything out. It's kind of before and after shot. I've seen the truck enough to know what it looks like before it, but I think it's going to look okay. I mean, fender did have this spot right here on it, which I can fix, no problem. But after I get everything put back together and running, we'll do another video of what it looks like before and after. But pretty much got the door on here. The fender's good. I got the fender in this hood for sale. I ought to keep them, but if I go back with another hood, it's going to be a cow hood. You know, you can never have too many fenders, but I can buy these fenders, you know, for a reasonably good price. But I priced the fender and the hood for 140 bucks. And, you know, I gave $165 for mine plus tax. Actually $150 plus tax, which came out to about $170, somewhere around in there. But anyway, let's get this stuff on, and I'll be back with another video of what it looks like when it's on the truck and cleaned up. I did armor all the tires, and anytime you use that spray on stuff that sprays on and then it foams up, and then, you know, you take the car for a spin, and even after an hour after I put it on there, it throws armor all stuff, that stuff all over everything. You can see it all over the fenders and all over the doors and stuff. But the noise you hear in the background is my son's fixing to fiberglass a boat. But anyway, let's get this on. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace out, bye.